Distinguished Rector of the University of Zagreb, distinguished Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to Croatia, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. The May of 2012 marks the 20th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between China and Croatia, and also today we celebrate the foundation of the Confucius Institute of the University of Zagreb. Under the support of Hanban of China, University of Zagreb and my university, the Shanghai Institute of Foreign Trade, worked together to establish the Confucius Institute. And the Shanghai Institute of Foreign Trade is the only university of its kind in Eastern China, specialized in the education of international business. We have a long history and we have our traditional strengths in delivering programs of international business. The University of Zagreb is a prestigious university in this region as well as in Europe. We are convinced that our two universities will work together closely, and the Confucius Institute will vigorously open up a new front and make its due contribution to promoting the economic, educational, and cultural cooperation of our two countries, and also make its due contribution to promote the teaching of Chinese and also promoting how to do business in China. All over the world, there are over 300 Confucius Institutes, and this Confucius Institute is specialized in business Chinese. As president of CIFT, the Chinese partner, I would like to pay respect to everyone who has worked so hard to establish the Confucius Institute. Meanwhile, I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to Hanban of China, to the Croatian government, to Chinese embassy in Croatia, and also to the University of Zagreb for your great support. This is my first visit to the beautiful country of Croatia and also to the charming city of Zagreb. I sincerely wish that the Confucius Institute in the future will make greater contributions to promoting the cultural, economic, educational exchanges between our two countries and also promoting the friendship between our two peoples. This evening, we will have a wonderful performance. I wish this performance a complete success, and also I hope you will enjoy a pleasant night tonight. Thank you.